Hey everyone, DIY Junkie here. Today I'm dealing with a frustrating problem that happens to almost any door exposed to the elements. This is my side garage door, and because of the rain and weather over time, the internal pins have gotten rusty and bone dry. As you can see here, I'm really struggling just to get the key into the hole. It's sticking, it's jamming, and honestly, most people at this point would spend $100 to replace the handle and the deadbolt entirely. But before you do that, let me show you a $5 trick that fixes this in minutes. The secret is this, Hillman Graphite Lubricant, but honestly, any graphite lubricant will do the same job regardless of the brand. I've got the product info and a link in the description for you. Now, a big mistake people make is spraying WD-40 or oil into a lock. Don't do that. It actually attracts gunk. You want dry graphite. I'm opening the package here, and the instructions are simple. Give the tube a good shake. It's a tiny tube, but a little goes a long way. I'm starting with the door handle lock first. I'm giving it a few good puffs of the graphite powder right into the keyhole. Then, I'm moving up to the deadbolt and doing the exact same thing. Right away, you can see an improvement. The key actually goes in now without me having to fight it. It's an instant change, but we aren't quite at, like, new status yet. It's still a little bit crunchy when I slide the key in and out. To really get this right, you have to work the lubricant through the channels. I'm repeating the puffs and then sliding the key in and out, over and over. This spreads that graphite powder onto every pin and spring inside the cylinder. I sped this footage up by 50% to save you some time, but in real time, this whole process took me about 8 minutes. You can see the motion getting smoother and smoother with every pass. And there we go. Look at that. Smooth as silk. No sticking, no jamming, and it feels like a brand new lock set. So instead of spending $100 on new hardware and the hassle of rekeying everything, I spent $5 and 8 minutes of my time. If your outdoor locks are acting up, try this first. If this saved you some money today, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more smart DIY fixes. DIY Junkie here. Thanks for watching.